So today, from my campsite, we're going to play with these Ray-Bans that do video and pictures. Hey Meta, take video. The little guard shack. If you want to play, you come in this way. If you're going to camp, you go in to the right. Plenty of spots on the water, plenty off the water. Right there's where you check in. They used to give you a card that opened the gate, and now they give you a code. Let's check out these bathrooms. Could use a little work, but not too bad. Tent camping. And there's your playground.